Welcome guys to another AI accredited video. Today we're exploring the style reference feature. This feature can have a really good effect in our AI created images by mimicking the style of an input image and applying it to a totally different creation. To use it, first log in your Leonardo account and go to the image creation section. The style reference feature is available for many of the different trained models available in Leonardo. So first, let's create our base image using the cinematic Kino model. For this example, we're trying to locate a camel on an alien frozen planet. So let's use that as our prompt. Wow, the result is really good, but it still somehow resembles planet Earth. That being said, let's switch models to achieve a more digital illustration look. Now let's try with the Leonardo Phoenix model and run the same prompt. Now we have a different result, a more digital illustration-like image that actually looks like another planet. Great. Now the fun part, changing the style. I have this image I downloaded from the web with a cool neon color set, so head for the image icon in the prompt bar and select Style Reference. For the image source, select Upload Image and select the desired image with the style you want to apply. Now that you have selected your image, choose the level of strength you want to apply to the style. The range goes from low to max. Let's leave it at high and rerun our prompt. The results are in, and they're really good. We get the same poses as our previous image, but now using a very similar set of colors as the input image to complete that otherworldly look. The possibilities are endless. Keep experimenting and getting these awesome results. See you in the next video.